Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today's going to be a quick little video. Someone requested, asked what's the easy off method for cleaning the cast iron. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. I got a pot that needs cleaning, so I'm only going to do the one. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, basically what we have, easy off, heavy duty. We've got one pan. Let me take this out of here. One pot, as you can see, it's a little crudted up. I just got this. Got it at a good price, but it wobbles a little bit. They said it didn't wobble, but not too bad. But anyway, it needs to be cleaned, so I figured I was just going to set it back on the shelf, but then I thought, well, I can use that easy off because I got that too. So let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm using a Ziploc bag. It was a used one. We ain't wasting no bags. But anyhow, I'm going to take the spray, make sure its nozzle's aimed the right way, and just spray your pan. And I'm doing it inside the bag so we can see what we're doing. That smells pretty good. I'm going to turn this over. I'll flip the whole bag over. Ooh, see, it's working already. Okay, so then we pick this open the bag again and spray. And you just got to get it just covered. You don't got to overdo it. Just cover the pot the best you can. Okay.
Did you get the back of it?
Let me swing this around so Miss Camera Girl here leaves me alone. See, that's what happens when you got to work with people. Never happy. See? How was I supposed to do that? Look, you're making me make a mess. Anyway, this stuff's already starting to work. It's taking all the crud off, not starting to. Okay, we're covered all the front and back and anything in between. So now we just let it sit. I'm going to let this sit for probably overnight. And then we'll come back in the next day and I'll show you what we have. So for right now, this is Mr. Dan saying, we'll see you in 8 hours. Okay, friends, there you have it. This has been sitting since yesterday afternoon. It's now about 10:30 the following day. So we're going to take this out and clean it up. Okay, so now I'm going to take this out of the bag gently. Trying not to make too much of a mess. Look at that gook. Woohoo! Gonna rinse this off a little bit. I have to do this again. Stinks. Smells like a fish. Alright. So this method works pretty well, actually. Look at that, just rinsing right off. Now, if I don't get it all the way clean, then we'll be putting another application on here. Let me get a little Brillo pad action going. Should have wore 2 gloves, huh? Well, that came out pretty clean, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in one more go round. But for the most part, it cleaned up pretty nice. Okay, let's take a look at it. I think it cleaned up pretty dang good, I think, huh? Yeah, see here, like around these edges. Yeah, that's where it's really caked on. So we're going to spray this one more time and put it back in. But actually, look at the inside of that. That came out pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to spray this again and put it back in the bag, and we'll see you in another 8 hours or so. A little bit. Okay, so I'm putting some on and watching my fingers. I don't want to get my fingers involved with this. But I'm spraying it on one side, and I'm going to put it in the bag and get the other. I just want to make sure I get those spots that were still caked on. And now I'm going to stick it in the bag. And then we'll spray inside the bag again. Trying to cover the whole pot again. Okay. So this process so far, I think, you know, I didn't really want to try. I didn't want to do this, but I bought some just in case. And the way I look at it, you know, you clean your oven with this, and then you cook in the oven. So what's the difference of doing a pot? Some people don't like that. So okay, so we're gonna put this back up, and we'll see you guys in the next go round. Okay, my little friends, we're back again, and this is the second go around of our magic juice. We'll just call it cleaning a pot with Easy Off, huh? And as you can see, we still have a little bit of residual there, but not much. So what I want to do is take my steel wool and give us a little bit of water in there. Outside of that, I think it's come pretty clean, huh? Oh yeah. So as you can see, that this method actually works pretty well. You just have to wash it good, that's all. Oh yeah. This is going to clean up nice now. Look at that. We're down to the bare metal. Got all the crud off of it, huh? That's nice. That's all out there. What I'm going to do with this now is I'm going to let you guys take a peek at it and show you that I'm not going to season this right just yet. I'm going to put a light coat of, spray some olive oil on there or something just for now. One little spot there's a pain in the booty. There you go. Yep. Nice and clean. Okay, so let me get a paper towel here and dry this off real fast, huh? Okay, so as you can see, it's really clean. It's actually gonna start to rust here in a quick second. So it's all cleaned off. It's all nice and pretty. That Easy Off really did the job. So as you can see, this is the third method I've showed you guys how to clean a pot. So for right now, I'm just going to spray this down with some oil. Let me just show you real quick. And that's only the reason I'm doing that is because I don't have enough time to put this through the process of putting it in the oven and that. So you just spray a little bit in there, a little more, and we'll just rub some oil on here. See, nice. A little coat of olive oil. This will just help it from getting that flash rust on it. You want to cover everything pretty good. If you want, you can spray a little bit more. And just rub it in there. Get everything coated. So that way, no rust. You don't want no rust. But that really turned out nice. I might use this method if I get another pot and I don't have enough to run the oven. But yeah, there you go. Nice little pot, guys. Look at that, huh? Got all the surface covered up there. No rust, so it doesn't get no rust. And it's just waiting now for next time when I'm going to run the stove. So this is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, guys, and we'll be doing some more of these how-to clean things, I'm sure. But for right now, this is Mr. Dan saying have a nice day. Check out the pot. Don't it look great? And we're out. So stay safe, all right?